With the number of Kenyans vaccinated hitting the 7 million mark, the Ministry of Health says it is keen to make sure that the country is not turned into a dumping ground for vaccines whose shelf life is limited. According to the Health Ministry Chief Administrative Secretary Dr. Rashid Aman, there are donor policies and regulations on any donated medical equipment or vaccines.
We cannot accept vaccines that have a shelf life beyond a certain period of time.
Aman further assured the country that there are no expired doses in the health facilities, with calls made for people to turn up for vaccination, with the World Health Organization representative Dr. Juliet Nabionga saying that they were working closely with the African Union to make sure that there were no expired vaccines on the continent.
We are part of the COVAX facility, which is supporting low and middle-income countries access vaccines. And within these negotiations, within this understanding, of course, we enforce adherence to standards. Of course, giving vaccines that have a good lead time is one of the considerations in the donation policy. So this wouldn't be true. It's not true that they are giving expired vaccines.
Aman at the same time said that the ministry was not ruling out the reopening of isolation, ICU and HDU centers in the wake of the discovery of the new Omicron variant in South Africa. He said that they were keenly monitoring the situation, adding that initial reports indicated that the variant was not lethal like the Delta one.
We have not closed the isolation centers. Like in my county, they are still open, but we have allowed to continue to give other services. But the beds that we prepared, they are there. The equipment that we prepared, they are there. The nurses that we trained are there. Should this knock on our doors again in the county, we are there to respond.
We are not worried that if another wave comes, there will be serious issues of institutions or programs to intervene, because we are already talking about it.
By December 1st, 2021, a total of 7.17 million Kenyans had been vaccinated against COVID-19. Busara Naman for K24 TV.